नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself Dr. Aarti Purohit, Associate Professor, Department of Pathology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Faculty of Homeopathic Sciences. Today our topic is Mycobacterium leprae. Mycobacterium leprae is a species, or it is a member of family of Mycobacterium. On physiology and structure, it is weakly gram-positive, strongly acid-fast. They are having a lipid-rich cell wall, unable to be cultured on artificial media as the growth is slow, very slow. The binary, the generation time is very much so. The culture do have much important diagnosis made with the specific skin test like tuberculoid form of disease and acid fast stains in lepromatous form. Virulence factors are capable of intracellular growth, disease primarily from the host response to infection, that is a delayed hypersensitivity. In epidemiology in US but common in other countries, rare in US but common in other countries like Asia and Africa, armadillos are naturally infected and represent an indigenous reservoir. Lepromatous form of the disease, but not the tuberculoid form, is highly infectious. Person to person spread by direct contact or by inhalation of infectious aerosols. The person is in close contact with patients who have lepromatous leprosy or disease are at greater risk. But it is actually controversial, as we have an example of Mother Teresa who throughout their life she remained in the between the cases of leprosy, but she doesn't get this infection in her life. So in disease, there is a two form, tuberculoid and lepromatous, and in between of these two, there is an intermediate form of leprosy. Diagnosis microscopy is sensitive for lepromatous form, but not the tuberculoid form. But skin testing required to confirm the tuberculoid leprosy culture cannot be used. Treatment, prevention, and control include the dapsone with or without rifampicin is used to treat the tuberculoid form of the disease. Clofazimine is added for the treatment of lepromatous form. Therapy is prolonged. Dapsone is recommended for long-term prophylaxis in treated patients, and disease is controlled through the prompt recognition and treatment of infected people. In skin lesions, in tuberculoid leprosy, there is a clinical manifestation of immunogenicity. Tuberculoid versus the lepromatous leprosy. Actually, tuberculoid leprosy is a previous symptom, and lepromatous is a continuation, and it is a severe form. In tuberculoid, skin lesions are few erythematous or hypopigmented plaques with flat center and raised demarcated border, peripheral nerve damage with complete sensory loss, visible enlargement of nerves. In lepromatous form, there is a many erythematous macule, papule, or nodule. Extensive tissue destruction, that is nasal, cartilage, bone, and ear. Diffuse nerve involvement with patchy sensory loss, lack of nerve attachment. In histopathology, tuberculoid leprosy, there is infiltration of lymphocytes and central of epithelial cell, presence of Langerhans cell, few or no acid-fast bacilli observed. In lepromatous form, predominantly foamy macrophages with few lymphocytes, lack of Langerhans cell, numerous acid-fast bacilli in skin lesions and internal organs. Infectivity is low in tuberculoid and high in lepromatous. Immune response, delayed hypersensitivity, reactivity to the lepromine, and non-reactivity to the lepromine in lepromatous form. Immunoglobulin level are normal in lepromatous leprosy, and hypergamma globulinemia is there in lepromatous leprosy. Erythema nodosum leprosum is absent in tuberculoid leprosy and usually present in lepromatous leprosy. You can see lepromatous versus tuberculoid. This is a tuberculoid patches and it is in lepromatous patches. You can see lepromatous leprosy, early stage and late stage. There is a falling of fingers by itself. Reaction. There are two type of reaction. One is the reversal reaction, which is very good for us because it occurs in the borderline leprosy, and if it occurs, it will goes towards the tuberculoid leprosy. This occurs due to cell-mediated immunity. In erythema nodosum leprosum occurs due to the antigen-antibody complex and present in the second. You can see lepromatous leprosy pre and post treatment. So this is all about the again the reviews. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy this session, you understand this session. If any query, please mention it in comment box. I will try to resolve this your queries.